Portable grill comparison. Portable pellet grills have revolutionized outdoor cooking by combining convenience, versatility, and the rich flavors of wood-fired grilling. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or simply cooking in your backyard, these compact grills offer a great way to smoke, roast, and grill with ease. To help consumers navigate the crowded market, the Ninja OG 701 is a versatile 7-in-1 portable grill that combines grilling, barbecue smoking, air frying, and more into one compact unit. With its weather-resistant design and 1,760-watt electric power, this grill is perfect for year-round outdoor use. It comes with exclusive Ninja wood fire pellets for added smoky flavor and offers a generous cooking capacity that can handle up to 6 steaks or 30 hot dogs. The inclusion of a crisper basket and pellet scoop adds to its usability, making it a great choice for apartment dwellers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. In terms of performance, the Ninja OG 701 excels with its foolproof temperature control and the ability to create authentic barbecue bark using minimal pellets. The electric-powered design eliminates the hassle of propane or charcoal, while its compact size makes it easy to store and transport. However, its reliance on electricity may limit its use in remote locations without access to power. User reviews consistently praise its ease of use and versatility, though some note that the pellet consumption is higher than expected for longer cooking sessions. List 2. The Z-Grill's 200A is a tabletop pellet grill designed for portability and versatility. With 202 square inches of cooking space and an 8-in-1 capability, it offers grilling, smoking, roasting, and more. Its PID V2.0 controller ensures precise temperature control, ranging from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, while the large hopper capacity allows for extended cooking sessions without frequent refills. Weighing 52.1 pounds, it is slightly heavier than other options, but remains manageable for transport. Performance-wise, the Z-Grill's 200A delivers consistent results thanks to its advanced PID controller, which maintains temperature accuracy within plus or minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit. The included meat probes and LCD screen make monitoring internal temperatures straightforward, and the non-stick grill surface simplifies cleanup. However, the smaller cooking area may not be ideal for larger gatherings, and its weight might deter some users seeking ultra-portability. Overall, it's a reliable choice for precision cooking during road trips or RV. List number: the Cuisinart CPG 256 is the premium option in this comparison, offering 256 square inches of cooking space and 8-in-1 functionality. Its integrated sear zone allows for both direct and indirect cooking, while the automatic pellet feeder ensures consistent heat and smoke. Weighing just under 40 pounds, it features a locking lid and easy carry handle for enhanced portability. The digital controls, including auto start ignition and a PID temperature display, simplify operation, making it suitable for beginners and seasoned grillers alike. In practice, the Cuisinart excels at delivering rich wood-fired flavors and precise cooking results. The temperature range of 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit accommodates various recipes, and the included food probe ensures perfectly cooked meats. However, its higher price point and slightly smaller cooking area compared to other premium models may deter budget-conscious buyers. Despite these drawbacks, its portability and advanced features make it a top choice for tailgating and RV trips. List number: the Hello Dr. Pellet Grill is the budget-friendly option in this lineup, offering 256 square inches of cooking space and 8-in-1 functionality. Powered by electricity and flavored with real wood pellets, it features digital temperature control and a free meat probe for precise cooking. Its compact design and lightweight construction make it ideal for RV camping and tailgating, while the LCD screen adds convenience. While the Hello Dr. Pellet Grill performs well for its price, it has some limitations. The smaller hopper capacity requires frequent refills during extended cooking sessions, and its build quality may not match higher-end models. However, It remains a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers seeking a versatile and portable pellet grill for casual use.
List number 5. The Only Fire Barbecue Wood Pellet Grill Smoker offers 252 square inches of cooking space across 2 tiers, making it suitable for cooking multiple dishes simultaneously. Its smart digital temperature control system ensures precision, with a temperature range of 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 Fahrenheit. The compact design and chimneyless construction make it ideal for outdoor use, while the included meat probe and LED screen add value. This grill delivers excellent results for its price, with consistent temperature control and an easy-to-use interface. However, its heavier weight of 57 pounds may reduce portability, and the smaller hopper capacity limits its suitability for longer cooking sessions. Despite these drawbacks, it's a solid choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable and versatile pellet grill.